Hey guys, today we're going to be working on our difference of two squares worksheet. So let's get started with it. Question number 1, we have p squared minus 64. We're going to get p plus 8, p minus 8. And we get this by taking the square root of both. So square root of p squared is p. Square root 64 is 8. Question number 2, 121 minus y squared. We're going to get, so let's take our square root of 121. It's 11. Square root of y squared, it's y. So we're going to have 11 plus y times 11 minus y. Question number 3, we got x squared minus 36y squared. So let's take our square roots. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 36y squared is going to be 6y. So we're going to get x plus 6y, x minus 6y. Question number 4. This one's a little bit different. So over here, we've got x minus 2 squared. We're just going to leave that. We don't want to double distribute that. So the square root of x minus 2 squared is just going to be x minus 2. And let's put parentheses around it to stay organized. And the square root of 49 is 7. So we're going to get x minus 2 plus 7 times x minus 2 minus 7. Question number 5. So now we're going to be working with higher number exponents. So in this case, we have 6 and 8. So the square root of 25x to the 6th power. So we're going to get 5. We know that. But remember, this x to the 6th power is being raised to the 1/2 power. And what do we do with that? We multiply it. So we get x to the third. So we're going to get 5x to the 3rd power minus 4y. Pause this and see if you could guess it. To the 4th. And 5x to the 3rd plus 4y to the 4th. Question number 36. So here we're going to be dealing with a 1. So 1 is going to actually just stay as it is. So we'll get 6b plus 1 times 6b minus 1. Now we have x squared plus 9. So we actually cannot do anything with this one. This one, not able to factor. And why is that? Well, x squared is a perfect square. 9 is a perfect square. So why can't we? It is not the difference of two squares. And simply, that's just because we have this plus sign in between them. So it's in simplest form. 49e squared minus 81 is going to be 7e minus 9 times 7e plus 9. Question number 9. 144 x to the 4th. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of x squared, x to the 4th is x squared minus 9y to the 5th power times 12x squared plus 9y to the 5th. So this last question is pretty interesting. So right now it looks like we can't take the square root of anything. Square root of 3, we don't know what that is. 75, don't know either. But we can take out a little GCF. So we'd have 3, then x squared minus 25y squared. Now this looks like something that we could work with. So we still want to keep this 3. This is important. So we'll have x, because that's the square root of x squared, plus, 5y x minus 5y. And we want to bring that 3 back down as well, because that's how we would get back to our original expression. And if we wanted to check this, we'd get x squared minus 25y squared. And we'd still have that 3 on the outside. Now distribute the 3, and we'd be with 3x squared minus 75y squared. And that's everything. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, have a great day.